Hey folks, welcome to Hey Big Grilling. Now tonight, we're going to stick with that mini themed, like last night we had the mini meatloafs. Well, tonight we're going to make steak nuggets, which steak nuggets are nothing more than mini chicken fried steaks. But steak nuggets is a lot quicker to say than mini chicken fried steak. So, let's get started. Alright, so we got about a 2-pound package worth of these cube steaks. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut this like that, and then I'm going to cut them down like that, you know, in the size, however big you want to cut them. Heck, you can fry the whole darn thing like a traditional steak or a chicken fried steak, but we're doing the minis. All right, so we got our dredging station set up and ready. I went ahead and put vegetable oil in my skillet. We're gonna set it to a medium heat and go for 325 degrees. All right, so I didn't go over the process for the dredging station. You can use your flour combination, your favorite one for frying. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna coat our little steak nuggets. We're gonna go through the flour, then into the egg wash, and then back into the flour. All right, folks, we are really close on our temperature of 325 degrees. So what I'm gonna do now, start laying these dudes down in here. And we're gonna go 2 or 3 minutes on each side. All right, so I do have to make a correction. Earlier I said 3 minutes, inadvertently, I went 2 minutes on that first side, and then 3 on this side. So I'm thinking maybe 2.5 to get that perfect blend. 2.5 minutes, that's the secret right there. Beautiful color. All right, folks, so we got our little mini chicken nuggets, or not chicken nuggets, steak nuggets, but basically the same as mini chicken fried steaks. So what we're gonna do, can't have chicken fried steak, I need gravy. Alrighty, folks, well, here is the final product. We got our good old mashed potatoes, our little steak nuggets, aka mini chicken fried steaks, black eyed peas. We're ready for that all important taste test. I was hoping I'd be able to not need a knife, and no, I don't. It took a little work, but very well cooked. Here we go with it. That right there was worth all the work. Now, I'm not saying all the work. It wasn't a ton of work, but, you know, doing the potatoes, they're instant. But black eyed peas, frying these dudes up, because as many as we had, we weren't able to get them all in the skillet at one time. So we had to kind of do it in layers, or batches rather. But very good, very, very well worth it. Man, this is a good old Southern dinner right here. So y'all please let me know what you think of the video. Y'all please like, subscribe, and we'll see y'all later.